products that I'm going to use to remove the hair from underneath my arms. I'm going to test it out on my face, as well as my legs and other areas to see if I can do a hair removal versus going to get a wax. I don't know if I can take the pain for all the areas that I want to get waxed. So I'm going to put a couple of videos in just showing you guys the process and where I'm going to lather it at under my arms and how I'm going to put it on my face. They do say to let it sit for about 15 minutes, and I want to say I let mine sit for 20 to 25 minutes because I have coarser, my hair is a little bit thicker and coarser, so I just wanted to make sure. And plus I let it grow out for about 2 weeks, so I just want to make sure it removed everything. And you can do a test patch on your arms or your leg area just to make sure that you don't have a reaction to it. But it is organic ingredients, and so far I'll let you guys see from there. All right, so it comes with a coupon, of course, for you to use when you want to order again. So I will definitely be ordering some more. And the little spatula is for you to neatly place it on your areas. I got two, one for my face and one for the rest of my body. And this was the hair removal mask for legs, body, and intimate areas. This one smells really good. And this is the facial hair removal mask. Okay. And it also comes with a oil, lavender and coconut. You put that on afterwards. And then the little exfoliating hair removal. I used this, but it was a little too rough for me. So I use this actually in the shower to exfoliate, because I exfoliate when I'm in the shower. And that's the little bag it comes in, so you can store it. And make sure you store this in a cool place as well too. Okay? And I'll show you guys what it looks like when you open up the jars. All right, and this is the hair removal mask. That's what it looks like. And this is the eucalyptus, no, the spearmint. This one smells really good. It has a cooling sensation. That's what the facial one for sensitive skin looks like. Okay. And that's that, guys. Here it's gone. Put the oil on my face. I'm about to take a shower. Alright guys, so I have clarified my hair with the step one, which it removes like any buildup on the hair. So I'm on the step right now where you do the hydrating with the rapeseed conditioner. So, and I've already went through and detangled my hair. The only reason why I didn't two-strand my hair is because I'm actually I'm gonna straighten my hair out because I'm getting it braided. But the next time I try the shampoo, the next time I wash my hair once I come back from vacation, I'm gonna do the two-strand and let it when I do step 3, let it sit and see exactly how my hair, but I can tell you now, like my hair is just way softer compared to what it would normally be when I would wash my hair. Like if I should have did a video with my hair like after I washed the clarifying stuff out. Like my curls were really nice and defined, but this is with me combing it out, and it still has the conditioner on the hair. So yeah, it's pretty cool, and it smells really good too. So yeah, I'm excited to actually wear my hair out with it. So yeah, we shall see. You guys, remember this was the Curl Mix product that I was trying. That came with step 1, step 2, 3, and 4. And as you know, I did the clarifying my hair. Now I'm hydrating my hair. And then the next step would be to, I'm just gonna apply like some oil on my hair, because I'm not gonna do these 2 steps because I'm actually going to get my hair braided. So yes, after I come back from my vacation, I will be doing this step again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, with my hair, leaving it out so that way I can see which style I'll probably do it like how she has hers, or maybe like twist it in the front. But yeah, I'm dying to see if my hair is gonna hold this curl with this humidity in the South, so I'm excited. This is the blackened powder with the North Carolina trout, scallops, and shrimp.
Take a picture of yours.
All right, so we got the pecan bar. It's homemade and with their homemade ice cream. So we'll give that a shot. All right, guys. So we came to, what is this? The Waterman's restaurant on South Boulevard. It was pretty good. I can't complain. It was really good. I got the blackened basket meal. It's a little salty. Next time I will tell them to kind of lighten up on the seasoning. Babe got the po' boy. It was really good. But yeah, we got 2 Coronas. The little pecan bar was delicious. And they make that homemade in the morning every day. But yeah, a little cool little outing for a weeknight. So it was pretty cool. Nice little area. I'm about to walk over to Harris Teeter. And I got my hair done for the trip. I'm so excited. It's really cute. All my hair that I get is either by Sensational, their Remy collection, or their it's their Remy or their like 12A human hair collection. So I do like it. It was like a water, kind of like a deep wave, but once I washed it, it kind of loosened up. So yeah, I like it.